Okay. I'm going to just throw something in here. My pencil was dull from making this line, and I don't think I started with a sharp pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen the pencil because this will lead to accuracy. Because if the thicker the line, you'll start adding, and then, if you don't cut exactly on the line, then, you'll add like 1/8 of an inch, and then times 4, that turns out to be a 1/2 inch, and then your pattern is completely bigger than what you thought. So it's really a good idea to have a really sharp tip of a pencil when you start this. And then I start at the bottom, and this line is not straight. You see that it kind of goes up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be going on this line, this straight line that I started with. There's marks on your clear ruler that you get at a fabric store, and you want to put that mark on that center line, and then you just overcompensate or undercompensate and make the bottom line straight, because you definitely want the bottom line to be straight. So of course you see there's a little bit of difference here and a little bit of difference here, but the point is they meet in the middle, and this is a straight line at the bottom. And then what you can do is just lightly trace around the side seam, and all the seams for that matter. And you're going to do this to the front and then the back as well. So we're just and you want to make this as accurate as possible, just right exact. But what we're going to do next is we're going to fix it and make it accurate.